Hello, welcome back. Watch how I shape this stew so that you don't miss out. I pour in the vegetable oil, I poured in the goat meat, I poured in my meat spices, ginger, garlic, curry, salt, seasoning, rosemary, and I'll cover and cook it for 20 minutes. Yes, after 20 minutes, I added my roughly blended onion and my scotch bonnet. I'll cook it for 5 minutes. So I added my cow skin and my abordi. I gave it a good mix and I'll cook it for 15 minutes on a low heat. So yes, after 15 minutes, I added my turkey. I'll stir together and give it a good mix and I'll cover and cook it again for another 10 minutes. So here is it. I added my tomato puree, my onion. I gave it a good mix. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to also check other of my videos. You might find the one that is helpful to you. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for the share, the like, the comment. I really appreciate you all. So now I stir together and I cooked it on a low heat for 5 minutes. And now I am pouring in my tomato puree and I'll give it a good mix. So I'll cover and cook it on a low heat for 10 minutes. So this is it. After 10 minutes, I came to check on it. I gave it a good stir and I'll be adding my ring meat. That is the last meat for this recipe. So I added it in and I gave it a good mix. I tasted for salt. It needed salt, so I sprinkled some salt on it. I added half seasoning cube and now I'm going to give it a good stir and I'll cook it on a low heat for 20 minutes. So this is after 20 minutes. Our stew is ready. If you cook your stew like this, you will never cook it again anyway. So I paired mine with this. Thank you. Bye.